In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how I turn this cute character into a soft, refined sketch. I'll share how I start the sketch and gently clean up the lines. You can watch the full coloring and rendering process on my Patreon or YouTube membership. There you will get PDF and Procreate ready file for the drawing. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you draw this cute character. I would love to see your version. Now, let's get started. For sketching, I'll create a new layer, then I'll choose my sleeking brush and the light gray to start sketching. I will set my brush size to 2 and I will start drawing the character. First, I will start by drawing simple shapes, for example this circle for the head, and I will use the editing tool to adjust my shape. At this step, I'm not focusing on perfect shapes or clean lines. I'm just slowly building the basic forms of the character, keeping everything light and simple. This part is all about feeling the shapes and letting the sketch come together naturally. I keep my lines very soft and loose, allowing myself to draw over them as many times as I need. And sure, there's no pressure to get it right, just gently guiding the lines to match the character as closely as I can. As I continue, I start placing the small details like the hands and the feet, but I still keep them very simple. I'm not trying to make them perfect yet, just soft shapes that will help me later when I refine the sketch. A small tip here is to keep your hand relaxed and your movement slow. Try not to zoom in too much. Let your lines flow naturally across the canvas. It's okay if your sketch looks messy at this stage. This is where everything begins to take shape. Now I will let you watch the full process and I'll be back when I start refining the lines. After finishing the first sketch, I will go to the layer, lower the create a new layer above the first sketch layer. I'll start drawing the refined sketch to make the lines clear and clean, and I will try to focus on making my character perfect to be prepared for the next step, which is coloring. As you see, I'm just drawing the lines that I need. Here I will draw the ears, and by using the editing tool, I'm just adjusting the shape. In this step, I try to draw every part of my illustration on a separate layer. For example, here I'm drawing the character on a layer, and I will draw the wood and the bees on another layer. This helps me to refine, adjust, and remove or add lines simply without affecting the others. At this stage, I focus on using the editing and adjustments tool, especially the selection tool, as much as possible. As I mentioned before, I want to make my shapes as perfect as I can. Since this will be the final sketch, I use later to color my character. For example, here I use the selection tool to select and copy the ear because I want them to be the same size and the same shape. Now I will keep drawing the refined sketch, and as I mentioned, I create a new layer for each element of my drawing. For example, here I created a new layer to draw the flower and the bees as well. And here I'm just using the editing tool, and I'm trying to make my lines perfect, as you see. And for sure, I will add a few details to my drawing, details that I didn't draw before in the first sketch. For example, some dots to the flower and plants, flowers around the character. You will watch this later when I finish drawing this character. At this step, I'm using my 𝚁𝚊𝚌𝚑𝚎 brush, which I really love because its texture matches my style perfectly. It feels like a pencil, and I really enjoy using it. I usually use it for even coloring and adding shadows, highlights as well. I really love this, and I recommend to use it if you love this style of drawing. I'll add the link in the description below if you would love to have it. Now I will let you watch my full process at this stage, and I will be back before I finish refining the sketch lines. So enjoy watching this step. Here I'm finishing my refine sketch by adding details as I mentioned before. I like to add those flowers around the characters. Sometimes I add flowers, hearts, depends on what I'm drawing. But for this character, I feel that adding flowers will give the drawing a cuteness. So yeah, now I'm almost done with drawing the refined sketch. If you would like to learn how I add extra details like shadows, highlights, and more, you can join my Patreon or YouTube membership. There, I will show you how I complete this character along with my techniques for coloring, shading, and choosing the brushes I use for each step. So feel free to join and enjoy the content. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.